Hey guys, today we make tasty and creamy chocolate ice cream. It's very tasty and garnished with coconut and almond. You make this very easily. So let's start how to make this tasty and yummy chocolate ice cream. First, we take chocolate lava biscuits and mash this. It's very easy to mash them. I take 3 packs of these biscuits. Mash them easily. So mash biscuits quickly. It looks very crunchy. So it's our last biscuit. Mash them. So our all biscuits are mashed. We take a pan and add 1 cup milk in our pan. Take some more milk and boil them. So our milk is boiled. Then add some sugar. I take 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix them. Then add your mashed biscuits. Mix it at low flame. It looks very creamy. Do your flame low. Now it's ready. Take it out in a bowl. Look, it's very creamy, yummy and Chocoletto. Nice! Oh my god! I'm waiting. How much time to make my ice cream? Just 5 minutes. Okay. Please hurry up. I am hungry. Hurry up. Make my ice cream. Hurry up. Make my ice cream. Freeze your chocolate for 20 minutes. Okay, our ice cream is freeze. Now add it in a cup with the help of spoon. Oh my god, hurry up! Yes! Garnish with some almonds and with coconut. Oh my god, it's my ice cream. So, your ice cream will be ready. Oh, thank you. Where is my brother and sister ice cream? Wait, it will be ready. Hurry up, we eat together. It's my sister ice cream. Okay, you will take this to your sister. Yes, we eat ice cream together to sit in a park. Okay, you will take your ice cream in the park and eat it. Garnished with some coconut and almonds. And where's my brother ice cream? It will be ready soon. Take some time. Okay, hurry up. We are hungry. Your ice cream will be ready. Wow, it's so yummy and creamy. I like this. Oh, nice. Thank you, Mom. Welcome. Go and sit to eat them. Thank you. I hope you will like our videos. Thank you. We meet in the next video. Bye bye.